another one of these. So yeah, I think around Christmas time, or maybe just after, either this year or last year, I lose track, we did mince pie flavour cookies, and they weren't too bad. Now we're taking it up a notch. Easter has just gone by, and it's time for the hot cross bun fill cookies. See, I like hot cross buns. I like cookies. They should be alright. And considering how well it went with the is that a cookie or is that a UFO? What the hell? Discs of dough. Like, what the? Oh, there is a softness to the top, and it's really just from that bite to just try and see how semi-soft they were. You've certainly got the mixture of the dough with the white cross, you know, slightly lighter dough. You've got that flavour already. So now, yeah. I'm trying to work out whether it's actual hot cross bun or whether it's just the currants that are in the middle. No, it actually seems to be a mix of what would be in a hot cross bun in the centre. You got the raisins and the currants. But there's also a little twist of, like, I'm guessing it's the glaze that they put on to create the cross. It's got that sort of flavour. But then the actual outside, I'm trying to get a good, yeah, the outside is really just a cookie, just a flavour that a regular cookie would be. You know, like a regular cookie with chocolate chunk sort of thing. The actual hot cross bunness is in the filling. Bring it the currants and the dough flavour and the cross flavour. It's another special edition cookie that's good. I'm guessing when we get to the summer, because of Wimbledon tennis and all that, I would not be surprised if there was a strawberries and cream one. If it happens, voice crack, if it happens, one, don't say I didn't warn you, and two, yes, we're going to do it here as well. Of course we are. They're not bad. You obviously can't get them anymore because it's not Easter, so they're not selling them, at least I'm aware of. Which is weird because you can normally get hot cross buns most of the time of the year now. It's not really at Easter anymore. You know, they disappear for a little bit, and then they come back. Probably right around Christmas they disappear, and then they come back as you build up from Lent into Easter again. So, all in all, they're good. I'm intrigued to see what the next flavour is, though, in terms of their filled cookies. So, thank you for watching. Eventually I'll find something here that I'll absolutely detest, like those wasabi crisps, and it'll be like, well, clickbait. That's what I try and get all this stuff, because it's like, there's going to be at least something surely that I'm going to go, what is that? I don't like it. That was a waste of money. But thankfully not, which I guess is good, probably. So, yes, more content on here. AJ's movie reviews and verses, Owen's Sip and Snacks and Voices of Liberty performances. Gaming stuff from me. The awards coverage from us as we get closer and closer to the Academy Awards, culminating it all in a few weeks. That's all here. So click on the subscribe button to keep you in the know with all the content, the variety of content that posted here. And if you enjoyed this one in particular, press that like button if you want to. With that, that's all for me for this video. Hopefully you will watch the next one. How did people do these outros?